I just wanted to go through what I did exactly to my exhausts and to my mufflers. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I just wanted to go through what I did exactly to my exhausts and to my mufflers. If you haven't seen my last video, I just got some Dynomax Race Bullets installed on my car to replace the resonators or the mid mufflers. I have a 2016 Dodge Challenger RT, which they don't come with the active exhaust like the 2017s and up. It had some pretty big resonators or mid mufflers and also the mufflers in the back. So that removed a lot of the sound of the car and it didn't really have a V8 sound. So I decided to go with some Dynomax Race Bullets to replace the mid mufflers, and I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like. Well, I drove the car for the past like 15-20 minutes, so the start won't be a cold start, it'll be like a warm start if anything, so it wouldn't be as loud as a cold start. I'll also give it a couple revs just so that you guys hear what it sounds like when you rev it. Just letting you guys know that there's a rev limiter on the car, so I can't rev it past 3500 RPM. And honestly, the car with the Race Bullets, it really sounds way better in the high RPMs and shifting gears. So I'll try to get some clips of that too. Just letting you guys know, it really doesn't do it justice on camera. You'd really have to hear it in person to tell how loud it really is and how it really sounds like. But I think that it still sounds pretty good now. I think it sounds like what it should have sounded like from the factory. But honestly, I thought it would have been a little louder. I'm guessing it's because of the big mufflers in the back, or the resonators, depending on what you call them. It really blocks a lot of the sound. And even though I think it sounds good, I won't cancel my order for my catback exhaust, even though it's been 7 months, almost 8 months now since I ordered it. I think that going with the full exhaust system is definitely going to be worth it, since the pipes are even going to be bigger. Actually, when I went to the muffler shop, I saw the pipes under my car and they're like so small. I think they're like 2 or 2.5 inches the whole way. And with the exhaust that I got, I think it's 3-inch pipes the whole way, and the tips are 3.5 inches, so that's definitely gonna make a difference. But I'm still happy with it. It's gonna be good for the winter since the neighbors won't hate me too much when I remote start my car in the morning. And honestly, I'd recommend it to anyone that's trying to get more of that V8 sound out of their car without ordering a full exhaust system, which can be expensive. For the Dynomax Race Bullets, I bought 2 to replace the 2 mid mufflers, and those were $35 each, so it came back to like $70 Canadian. For the installation, it actually cost me a little bit over $200 Canadian, and it took around 3 to 4 hours to install, but that's just because they were working on my car on the side and they were doing other projects at the same time, so it probably took a lot less time than 3 hours. So if you guys have any questions on that, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to read every comment and answer them. So thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more content from me. You can also check out my Instagram page for my car, Blue Beast RT, where I post some pictures of my car. So thanks everyone. Have a good one.